Okay, the video you're about to watch is Biafran Liberation Army Commander Holy Ghost, and he has something to say, and I would like to share it with you. Just listen and tell me what you think about all he said on comment section. I don't want to waste much of your time, and if you're new, please subscribe and like the video so that others will get to see it. Thank you.
Good morning, wonderful people of Biafra. I'm not here to romance words with you. We have been giving this warning for a long time. We have been sounding warning to you people for a long given time, so that the citizens of Biafra will not kill or got killed accidentally by the terrorists. Give you warning to leave army barrack. We have sounded this warning for a very, very long time. Give you time to find somewhere else and relocate. Some of you see think that it's a joke. We also give you warning concerning delaying in any checking point. Sorry. Any checking point created by the terrorists in Biafra territory. We told you not to delay your time or stay there. You should always give them far distance. Some of you thought it's a joke. And then anything you see, you take. It is not our fault. It is what you ask for. Because we always take time to give you warning ahead of time. Because let me tell you something you do not know. We are always ahead of time. We are ahead of time. And that is why we told the zoo that 1967 to 70 is not 2024. They do not understand why we normally say this to them. Because as long as we are concerned, they have only 3 strategies for this war. As I told you that we have studied their strength and we have studied their weakness. We know their strength and we know their weakness. And in every war, the enemy use the weak point of his own fellow enemy to win. So we know their weakness, but they never know our own. They do not know our strength. They do not know our weakness. Do you know the reason? The reason is one thing I cannot tell you. Because we are back to correct the wrong. We are back to correct the wrong. That is what they do not know. What they do not know is that our returning back is for revenge. Our returning back is for revenge, and you're supposed to know how the revengeance always be. But even as that, we still have to give them alternative to choose, in which anyone they choose is what we go with. And you, that we have been giving you warning, time without number. You refuse to yield to that. Anything where you see, now you buy them for yourself. Anything where you see, because we will not come there to tell you, we are about to do something in this place today. Please come out. We cannot try that. When we don't program the place and we come, we execute our mission. Anything you see there, Now you price him. Now you buy him. He belongs to you. You take him. That is one. We are not here to romance word with anybody. So when we say something, you hear something from the PM, you hear something from men on ground, and you take it lightly, no wahala. Secondly, this one goes to any area that you see that the zoo have come declare that area a war zone. As it stands so now, Lilu is under the war ground. They have turned Lilu into a war ground. They have turned Lilu into a war ground. So now, maybe next tomorrow or next week, another local government become the war ground. Remember before that this war, as we say, does not stay one place. It keep rotating. It keep moving. And the way they want is the way we will give to them. I came up and I say, if you have a brother or a sister living in Lilu, tell the person to stay away from Lilu, because we will respond to the intruder. And some of you did not do that. Some villagers carelessly rule around as if there is nothing happen. See, let me tell you, anywhere we meet our enemy, we encounter them. Whether you are around there or not is not of our business, because we have informed you on time. In fact, you being around them simply means you are a saboteur, you are their informant, because definitely they will use you as an informant. So we care less. We care less about anything that happened to you. And so let me sound this. And some of you do not know, Nigeria, the world do not know that the land of Biafra have Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu have Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa have General Butuzo. General Butuzo have so many soldiers, gallants. And all this is for the work of the restoration of the sovereign state of Biafra. They do less. They agree nothing except Biafra. They want nothing except Biafra. They will do undo because of Biafra. No going back. If you do not understand this, it's late for you to do your worst. And I'm telling you this morning that some people carelessly lose their life because they thought we are joking. Today is 11. There is a war still going on in Lilu. The terrorists feel it every single day. Every single day they feel it. Like what happened yesterday, they feel it. And then that is why I will tell them to go and play the video song. Then go feel it. Then go feel it now. So that when next time we tell them, we are not our father. And we will never make the mistake of our father. They should understand us better. And as I told them that we have studied the mistake of our father, we know why they failed, and we can never allow it to repeat itself in this our time. And as we also tell them that we will never fight this war and remain for our children, we mean it. And we will fight this war and we will finish this war. That our children will enjoy this life. It is our promise. Yes, it is our promise, and we will never fail our children. If we fail them, even God, Chukwugika Abiyama, will not forgive us. He will never forgive us. If we dare fail our children, Chukwugika Abiyama will not forgive us. Because after us, there will be no one like us. And so therefore our children will remain slaves forever. That is the reason we dare not fail them. And we cannot afford to do that. So understand, when we tell you stay away from the danger zone, please do so for the sake of your life. Otherwise, you will lose it. Yes. Yesterday, some of you that stay close to where the incident happened, you see what happened. You saw it very clearly. We know they shoot gun. The errands of shooting gun have gone. We know what we can do. And you see the way they shoot randomly. Even though na far across, then go kill them. Anything, as that thing with the pain of what they are passing through there, with the pain of what they are passing through, then go shoot anything, then go shoot. You see how they scatter people's houses with bullets? Shoot everywhere, because I told you before that a dying soul, he has no sense. He's looking for where he will grab and die alongside with. So don't make yourself that a scapegoat. Don't make yourself that a scapegoat. This information might not come again. Do well to share this information to reach everybody hand. Once you see army beginning to come in your area, know that that area are declared war zone. Relocate. Immediately you see army, because some of you did not know, as we told you before, that your enemy, your number one enemy are your Eze. No army will be invited to a community without your Eze being aware of it. And once your Eze have been dining with the devil, you will definitely be bribed by the devil, and you have no other option. And so immediately your Eze sell your community, your autonomous out, likely the army, the terrorists will come. And so immediately the terrorists come, I will advise you to leave that area, because we will find them come. It is like oil and a soldier hand. Oil and soldier hand. Yeah? When they come, we go come. Anywhere then they, we go there. And so that place become corrupted for you as a civilian. Find your way out from there, so that you will not become a victim. Okay? Now, having given you this warning, if you like, you take. If you don't like, you leave. It is your business. We are here to do the needful. As we say, that we cannot fight this war and remain for our children. We will fight this war till they finish. And we must finish it, and we must win it. Winning is a must. Winning this battle is a must. The enemy understands us. The war will understand us very soon. That we care for nothing less than Biafra. We need nothing than Biafra. And so therefore, nothing can stop the restoration of the sovereign state of Biafra. Having said this, let me reflect my mind of what happened yesterday and tell you that the people army are very, very strong army. The one thing they do not understand is that this Biafra Liberation Army are the army trained by Chukwugika Abiyama by himself, prepare for 1,000 years to come and correct wrong. Yes, that are doing wonders. Imagine the zoo calling backup, and the backup is calling another backup. Then I ask them question. If your backup is calling backup, who knows if that backup is calling is also calling another backup that is calling backup on top of backup. Imagine. The zoo has finished. The zoo calling backup. They have collected. They call for backup. Definitely backup was coming. Oh. Along the road, backup collected. As backup collected, this one was calling the backup that was telling them we are close, we are close. All of a sudden, the backup tell them, bros, we cannot come. Oh. Even we are calling on a backup. The backup begin to call for backup. And the backup tell them, bros, no backup. Oh. Backup has finished. Retrieve, retrieve, retrieve. Where are you retrieving to? You retrieve from the land of Biafra to the land of Biafra. You are still a dead soul. You are still a dead soul. We told you that it's either you live with your life or you live with your dead body. As simple as that. No option. No other option. We own this land. As I keep telling you, Chukwukika Abiyama gave this land as the inheritance to our great-great-grandfather, that gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father. And our father gave this land to us. We are the inheritance of this land of Biafra. And the same way we will hand over this land of Biafra to our children. But the only difference will be, before we hand over this land of Biafra to our children, we will make sure that Fulani present will not be there. We will make sure that Yoruba present will not be here. We will make sure that Britain present will not be here. We will make sure that all the saboteur present will not be there. Do you understand? And then we will ensure that the evil in the land have been thoroughly cleansed up. Cleansed up. Cleansed up. Do you understand us? All the evil will be totally cleansed up. The land will become holy, pure. And then, only then, we will now hand over it to our children to continue the heritage and enjoy the heaven on earth given to them by Chukwukika Abiyama himself. So you did better understand where we are going to. The earlier you understand, the earlier you save your life. So when we say you must leave the land of Biafra, we mean it. Either alive or dead, you must leave. You are not joking. Either alive or dead. Then you understand later that they mean what they say. Now I keep asking you, what you are seeing every day and day, did it look like people that will bow down one day? You have used hope. You have used hope to try. Has it succeeded? No. Soludo try. As you succeed, if I over try, many of your tools have put their best to their best effort, and try, and they succeed. And even you have tried. You use your money, your resources. The purpose Nigeria is breaking down is because you channel all your resources to fight and keep fighting Biafra. You acquire so many ammunition to come and kill Biafrans so that Biafra agitation will cease. It can't work. This is not 1967. And so therefore, either you leave the land of Biafra with your life, or they will carry your dead body. Come out. One thing I can assure you is that you come to the land of Chukwukika Abiyama to kill the children of the soil, you will die. That death where you carry come, now your portion. Now what thing we wish you? The thing where you wish us, now we wish you. Because person where cook go test waiting in cook. That thing where you cook carry come, you must test them. We give you 100% assurance that you must test them. And when you test them, anything you see, you take them. But let me tell you, you are just a stranger in our land. And we know every crook and corner. Now we own the land, as I told you. And we go smoke you out. Believe you us. We go smoke you out. And you understand better that 1967 is not 2024. That is my message for you. For those of you who think we are joking, you don't know we are on the war. We are fighting serious war. If you care less about your life, the enemy of the land will take it from you, and you have yourself to be blamed. I'm not here to give you a long sermon. I just came to pass this information to you. That don't see it as a joke. For those of you that this rain have not yet reached your area, get yourself prepared. The rain, the erosion is moving. It might reach your area very soon. So do not say it's not happening in your side, because it cannot happen here and there at the same time. When erosion pass here, it's heading to another place, and definitely it might reach your side. The earlier the zoo recover that this is not a joke and they can never win, the better for them. Otherwise, they will keep dying. I salute all of you that are supporting this struggle and praying for these heavenly angels. May Chukwukika Abiyama keep protecting our leader, keep blessing in abundance our government in exile, provided Simon Ekpa with wisdom and knowledge, and then more strength and power to this heavenly army. I salute you, my fellow congregants. May Chukwukika Abiyama continue to bless each and every one of you, as the enemy of the land will keep dying and dying until they will see no more in the land of Biafra. So shall it be in a K. Do you know that today is a K? And so shall it be in Ore. So shall it be in Afo. And so shall it be in Nkwo. That they may know that Chukwukika Abiyama has his children back. He has his children front. He has his children left and right. Now and forevermore. He said, the day has just begun. So stay safe. Stay safe. Chukwu Gikabiama will do that which is needful. I bless you this morning to bless others.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Before you go, like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, and see you again on our next one. Bye bye for now.